They say that it never rains in Southern California, but it does in the fall and a little bit like in spring. I love the rain. I'm here at In-N-Out. Gonna get my family some food, get myself some food. So to balance things out, I'm getting fries. I normally don't eat them all. I usually eat only half of the fries. And then I am getting a double cheeseburger, protein style, with grilled and raw onions. So it's a lettuce wrap burger, double cheese, double meat, no salt. I feel like you can taste the meat better when you don't have it salted. And then the fries, of course, there's so much salt on them that it just like balances out. It's good. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is the cutest. Look at the aftermath of yesterday. I just threw all my trash there. Anyways, you guys, I just woke up. I look like a puffy mess, you guys. I had In-N-Out last night. Ah! I'm being so bad. I love rainy days. I feel like I thrive on these days more than sunny days. I don't know what it is. But I guess because I'm a delicate flower, I need the water to get me going. There's already a line at Noah's, so luckily I placed my order to go, so it'll be on a little rack in there, so I just grab it and go. I was trying to be incognito, just like walk in, walk out, not to be seen. Do you ever wake up in the morning and you just feel ugly? That's how I feel today. Let's be real. You know, yeah, body positivity is wonderful at any size. Body positivity and just face positivity is a good thing all the time. But, you know, we have those days where we feel ugly, we feel old, we feel puffy, we feel like we're making a bad decision. Yeah, we're making a bad decision on eating carbs. Rainy day vlogging is no joke. Look at my door. Luckily, I have this little soft cloth I keep nearby. We secured the goods, you guys. There they are.
Everybody knows what happens when you worship from afar. The ebb and flow of angels dancing around the stars. And if the sunrise still questions, the answers in the dark. Celebrate, mushroom.
We did that most recently for a Sonic commercial for a Smash Burger, where
I know, get the shirt really well.
we removed our gazebo, put a decoy on it on there.
Woo! Watch me whip. Watch me nay-nay. Watch me whip. Whip. Watch me nay-nay. You're okay, Mom.
Look at that big microwave.
What? Oh, it is huge.
Everybody holding the old
Oh, I'm holding. Sorry. I was like standing right there, and everyone was like crowded behind me.
So cool. Literally every single bat uniform is here.
Oh my gosh.
Batman with bat.
Look at Michael Keaton compared to all of them.
Oh, that's so true. Little.
And this one's Val Kilmer. The second one. This one's George Clooney. Christian Bale. Ooh. Ben Affleck. Look at the bulge on the Ben Affleck.
What is this one?
And Robert Pattinson. Is that meant to be there? Trisha Paytas' baby.
And this one, the baby.
Trisha Paytas' baby.
Oh, yeah.
Aquaman.
That's really neat.
Happy birthday, Harry.
Cat can't see. So try me on, and I will tell you where you ought to be. Cunning, shrewd. Let's see. Slytherin.
You're a bad one.
I knew I was bad.
Slytherin.
Some you're fighting.
Oh. Smart. I'm wearing glasses and you can still see the sparkle and the shine on my eyes. I'm telling you, all you need is a little bit of glitter plopped on there and you instantly feel glamorous. I did Sunset Strip today. It just gives like that extra glamour. They have chocolates. They have gelatos. What kind of coffee do you want, Mom? Just wanted to check in on you cuties and see how your week is going. It's Wednesday. No, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Wednesday, I work all day, and then it'll be Thanksgiving holiday, so I won't have to come back to work until Monday. Love this time of year where you get some time off, spend with the family, lounge around, do nothing, watch movies. I took a late lunch, so I'm heading back now. But the good thing is I only have a couple more hours left of work and then home free. I just peeled off all my nails. So now they're looking ratchet.
Oh my goodness.
He's cool, huh? Oh, look at this cute guy.
And they have they're so cute.
These are cute. These are kind of cute. Yeah. So pretty. Really pretty. Virtue. Oh yeah, they changed the little signage too. From the last time we came, remember?
This
Oh, look at this little deer cloud toner. I want this whole pokey. Ooh, should we get some?
no. It looks good, but not that food.
Let's get the onigiri. Potato salad sandwich. Tuna. Eggs. Usually the sriracha one.
Spicy tuna.
Yeah.
spicy salmon flake.
Salmon. The tuna mayo, yeah.
Santa. Santa Claus. Get that one?
You want me to get it?
No. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. What's in there? Little breads and stuff. Look at these little milk things. These ones are so good, the seaweed and the honey butter ones.
The honey butter.
They're all good.
Welcome. Scan items one at a time, placing them in the bagging area after each scan.